Just arrived at Matt Armstrong's old unit. This is where the YouTube sort of began after all of the TT stuff and everything like that. So we're going to be changing the floor, which was originally black, which was our tiles, to a lighter colour for their pop-up shop.
How's it going, Adam?
Oh, I love a toilet.
Actually, I thought we were going to continue it.
Toilet.
I love a toilet.
Right, last few bits to cut in. We've got George in the toilet, he's doing a good job. Got Ollie butt jointing at the front there, making sure the ramp and the door doesn't hit. So yeah, nearly there, and then all we've got to do is glue. Right, so that's us all done. Let's have a look. So we've got the custom logo in, we've done the toilet area, we've done the storeroom, and obviously we've done the main workshop here. It's going to be a car in that corner, and this is going to be sort of for the merchandise and everything like that. All done.